Hello and welcome everybody. Shopify stock on 28th November. Let's see that step by step on this video and let's start. So according to what we want on one day update, I think this is going to be very serious about what we want on shop stock. So this is going to be the price here 0 USD and here is going to be 149. So this is going to be such a thing that is going to be different a little bit on Shopify stock on 28th November. If we went for the value that has been reached, the highest value that it has been reached, this is the highest value, 172 USD. The lowest value that it has reached during all the journey of this stock is going to be about the start of the Shopify or shop stock itself is going to be about 2 USD, because that is what we want for the meaning for. We are now on 35 USD. This is a chance for the movement to make this stock increase on next day with this M pattern, and that would help us for the Shopify stock to increase in momentum. That's what I could say in this video. Good luck.